For the sky part where we are at the moment, we designed the whole space as the circular design concept. When we design this space, we like to have our tenants enjoy the space, but not only the space with the light, natural lighting with the good design and the space setup, but also we think about sustainability. We want them to experience a lot of things like we care about the earth and ourselves. So that's why, the furniture, the lighting, even the plants we use, we all consider sustainable. I think we are very open-minded for sustainable ideas, as long as it can fit the circular design concept. And Philips introduced this idea was great because 3D printing is something that going beyond what we have in the market, and then it fits the sustainable idea because it's like a lot of recycled material. You don't waste mass production. You only print that is needed. That fits into this whole concept of circular design. So when people come in, we introduce, hey, you know what? This lighting is 3D printed and everything is disassembled and it can be reused. Can you imagine? And people are so amazed about this technology. This is so sustainable and it fits our concept. I think we're working on different projects ongoing at the moment, including the whole building. There's a lot of space. We need lighting. We had a good relationship and we have good communication with Philips. So I think we look forward to more collaborations.